If you've ever spent hours with a hammer and nails only to end up with sore hands and uneven finishes, yeah, it's time to go cordless. Today we're diving into the best cordless brad nailers of 2026. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist tackling home upgrades or a seasoned woodworker chasing that flawless finish, this list is going to help you find your next favorite tool. 7. Populo Meier Electric Staple Gun. Let's be honest right off the bat. This one isn't built for heavy-duty carpentry, but for light tasks, it's surprisingly decent. When I first tested it on soft pine and thin MDF boards, it impressed me with how quick and consistent its firing was for its price point. The compact design fits nicely in hand, and the cordless build powered by a lithium-ion battery gives it convenient mobility. However, it's when you try to use it on harder materials that you start to feel its limitations. The firing strength doesn't always penetrate thicker wood completely, leaving you to finish the job manually. It's definitely more of a hybrid between a brad nailer and a staple gun than a dedicated nail driver. So it shines best for crafting, upholstery, or fastening lightweight trim. One thing I liked is the safety features. It won't fire unless the nose piece is pressed against the surface, preventing accidental shots. Battery life holds up decently. Expect about 30 minutes of continuous light work per charge. Its biggest advantage, though, is convenience. For quick repair jobs or decorative work, it saves a lot of effort compared to manual staplers. But if you're looking to build furniture or frame projects, you'll quickly want something stronger. It's a fantastic tool to have around the house for small, casual use, but not for your heavy weekend build. 6. BIELMEIER BCSG 20 US3. This is another flexible cordless model that bridges the gap between DIY and light carpentry. When I unboxed it, the build quality felt slightly improved over the Populo Meier. It's sturdier, the trigger has a more responsive feel, and the battery snaps in place confidently. On first use, the tool performed smoothly when driving 18-gauge brads into pine and plywood, offering consistent depth control thanks to its adjustable settings. However, I did notice a minor delay between shots. You can't just rapid-fire nails like you can with high-end models. The downside is in its cycle time. You'll need to wait a fraction longer between pulls, which can get frustrating during longer runs. The balance of the tool is a bit front-heavy, and after an hour of use, the hand fatigue starts to set in. That said, the BIELMEIER delivers good accuracy. Each shot lands exactly where you intend, which is crucial for detail trimming or delicate panel work. The safety mechanism works reliably, and it comes with dual functionality, handling both nails and staples. I found that extremely handy when switching between woodworking and fabric projects without swapping tools. Battery performance is fair. With its 20-volt power source, you can complete small projects on a single charge. Still, it tends to lose punch as the battery gets low, reducing driving power. Overall, it's better suited for hobbyists than professionals. Think of it as a smart, all-around performer that's great for beginner woodworkers exploring cordless tools without going all in on premium pricing. 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 Brad Nailer. This tool delivers that trusted craftsman reliability and performance that's perfect for serious DIY projects and light professional use. The first thing I noticed was the confidence it gives when you pull the trigger. There's no lag, no half-driven nails, just a satisfying clean sink every time. During my test, the V20 powered through hardwoods like oak and birch with impressive consistency. Its brushless motor provides extra torque and improved efficiency, giving more runtime compared to older battery nailers. The ergonomic design and rubberized grip make it comfortable to handle even when firing continuously for extended periods. I particularly appreciate the toolless depth adjustment and jam clearing system. It allows for quick changes mid-project without hunting down a wrench. The built-in LED lights were also a subtle but practical touch. They helped illuminate dim corners when installing trim behind furniture. Its portability is another highlight. The 20-volt battery snaps in tightly and keeps the balance well-centered. That said, the unit is slightly bulky, and if you're working in tight spaces, maneuvering it might be tricky. Still, That's a small trade-off for the punch and consistency it delivers. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is an excellent mid-tier choice that blends accessibility, precision, and power. 4. Alloyman 18-gauge nail gun. This nail gun impressed me with how versatile and efficient it feels right out of the box. When testing it on multiple surfaces, pine trim, plywood, and medium-density fiberboard, it consistently sank nails flush without needing touch-ups. The dual-mode firing, single and contact, lets you choose between precision and speed, and it works beautifully in both. This model feels like it was engineered with balance in mind. The design sits perfectly in the hand, light but solid. Its durable ABS body handles drops and knocks without damage. Alloyman also equipped it with safety locks and a comfortable grip that reduces vibration and strain during long working sessions. Another strong point is the battery life. The 2.0 lithium-ion pack lasts longer than expected, easily powering through several hundred nails before showing signs of depletion. Whether I was installing baseboards or building shelves, the Alloyman kept up flawlessly. One minor gripe is the reloading mechanism. It's a little stiff at first. After several uses, it loosened up, but initially, it took an extra second to lock in place. Still, it's a strong all-around performer that provides real value. The Alloyman sits in that sweet spot where affordability meets near-professional functionality, making it one of the best-performing cordless nailers in its price bracket. 3. Worx Nitro 20-volt 18GA Cordless Brad Nailer. This one seriously ups the standard. This tool feels refined from the moment you hold it. The build is compact, yet incredibly sturdy, and the anti-ejection design keeps things smooth and secure during use. I took it through both trim work and small furniture assembly projects, and came away thoroughly impressed. It delivers consistent depths shot after shot, even when firing rapidly. The brushless motor is whisper quiet compared to other models and contributes to excellent battery efficiency. The standout feature has to be its tool-free depth adjustment, paired with a jam-free design. Clearing jams, or rather, not dealing with them at all, made the whole experience much smoother. The ergonomic handle felt perfectly balanced, reducing hand fatigue even after prolonged use on vertical surfaces. What sets the Worx Nitro apart is its combination of smart engineering and reliability. It's not the cheapest on the list, but considering its consistent power, durable build, and premium finish quality, it feels like you're getting a tool that can last for years. If you're upgrading from an entry-level Brad Nailer, this one will make you feel like a pro instantly. 2. MtiolHig 18-gauge Cordless Brad Nailer. This one surprised me by outperforming several big-name brands. The first thing that stood out was how smoothly it transitions between materials. I drove nails into oak, walnut, and plywood with zero jams or misfires. The motor delivers consistent power, maintaining the same driving depth with every shot. The design is robust and ergonomic, with great weight distribution that makes longer sessions comfortable. It features adjustable firing mode options and a depth control dial that's incredibly intuitive, ideal for projects that demand precise finishing. The LED indicator lights and built-in safety switch add convenience and peace of mind while you work. Battery performance is incredible, lasting through entire projects without recharging. The 18V lithium battery holds its charge for extended periods, even between uses. Reloading nails feels smooth and easy, with very little downtime between shots. Another highlight is its low recoil. Where other guns slightly jump during successive firings, the MtiolHig remains stable, allowing faster, cleaner work. Honestly, it rivals premium tools in user experience while coming in at a more approachable price. If you're serious about home woodworking or trim installation, this one deserves your attention. 1. DEWALT DC-N680B. This tool isn't just my favorite, it's a professional's dream come true. The performance, consistency, and build quality are top tier. When I tested this nailer, it felt like an extension of my hand. It's that smooth and responsive. The brushless motor delivers clean and precise shots with zero delays between trigger pulls. Whether you're installing crown molding, baseboards, or constructing fine cabinetry, this tool ensures perfect results every time. The depth adjustment is incredibly refined. Each brad sinks flush, avoiding surface marks or overdriving. Its runtime is phenomenal. The 20-volt NAX battery system from DEWALT, which is compatible with other DEWALT tools, makes this not just a nailer, but part of a larger professional ecosystem. It drives hundreds of nails per charge, and despite its power, it's surprisingly quiet and balanced. Every detail feels premium, from the durable magnesium body to the bright LED lights and tool-free jam release system. During testing, jams were virtually non-existent. Even after hours of non-stop use, there was minimal heat buildup, showing just how efficiently the motor runs. Simply put, the DEWALT DC-N680B dominates in accuracy, reliability, and ease of use. It's the cordless Brad Nailer professionals rely on, and the one I'd recommend above all others. If you want a powerful, ready-for-anything tool, this is your best investment. Closing, and there you have it, my top 7 cordless Brad Nailers for 2026. From budget DIY heroes to pro-level powerhouses, each one has its place depending on your needs. If you're after light crafting and everyday fixes, the Populo and BIELMEIER models will serve you well. But if performance, endurance, and precision are your game, the DEWALT DC-N680B stands alone at the top. Which of these would you trust on your next project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this list helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tool reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss an update.